If your 2007 Toyota RAV4 is blowing nothing but warm air, your AC compressor might have finally reached the end of the road. Most owners start seeing this failure around the 150,000-mile mark, when internal seals simply stop holding pressure. Before you buy parts, let's confirm the diagnosis with a few simple steps. Start by checking your system pressures and listening for grinding noises, which usually point to a failing clutch bearing. The most common failures involve internal piston seizure, a burnt-out magnetic clutch coil, or simple shaft seal leaks. Make sure you have a manifold gauge set and a serpentine belt tool, and never attempt this without safe refrigerant recovery. Doing it yourself saves significant labor costs, but shops have the specialized equipment to vacuum test and properly recharge the system. Expect to spend around $800 to $900 total if you outsource the labor to a professional technician. If you proceed, always recover the refrigerant first and remember to flush the lines to remove any metal debris before installing the new unit. Safety is non-negotiable, so always disconnect the battery and use proper jack stands before you get under the vehicle. Remember, a clean installation is the difference between a repair that lasts 1 year and one that lasts 10. Check the links below for the specific part numbers for your 2007 RAV4 and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.